you guys. So this week has been one of the most stressful weeks of my entire life. I've had lots of tests, I've had like 8 essays, lots of homework. It's been like the normal college week, but times like probably 50 or something. I don't know, but today is Friday and it is the start of spring break and I could not be any more excited about that. We're going on a little mini vacation to like the mountains. We're gonna have a cabin with like a hot tub on the porch and stuff. It's gonna be really nice and I just wanted to take you guys along with me on the spring break. We're leaving tomorrow morning, so I have a lot of housekeeping things to get done. I have to like clean my room, pack, shower, just get ready. So I wanted to take you guys along with me to get ready for the trip and then take you on the trip with me. So this video is gonna be all over the place, but you clicked on this, so buckle up, get ready, and let's go. Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna put some like product in my hair so I can let it air dry, and then I'm gonna do my skincare routine, and then we're gonna go clean my room together. And let me warn you, it's pretty bad. It's been a very rough week. So now onto my skincare routine. I swear I do my skincare routine in every one of my videos, but I do have a video dedicated to my skincare routine and I'll put it in the little information button for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to decide to wear pimple cream for the majority of the rest of this video because I need it, so yeah. So now that I've about covered my entire face in pimple cream because like I've been saying, it's been a stressful week, I'm gonna go clean my room and pack. Okay, so this is the current situation of my room. It's not good at all. Well, look who's here. Hey, baby. I'm filming. I'm currently showing them the state of my room. It's really bad. So this is the current state of my room. It is not the best. I have drawers open. I have cotton balls everywhere. Textbooks, shoes. I have this like package that's for a brand deal that's coming up, and there's just like vitamins on the bed. There's clean clothes in here, and there's countless amounts of like drinks and stuff over there. So yeah, it's got a lot of work that needs to be done. So let's get it done.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm kind of disgusting. That was all the dishes that was on my nightstand. Alright guys, so I look crazy, but this was sent to me by a brand, and it is by the brand BZseed, and I was not expecting it to be as nice as it was, considering they sent it to me for free, but it was super, super nice. I will show you a little in-depth of like how it works and everything in a second, but basically, I already have a diffuser, but I bought a very, very cheap one just to see if I would like a diffuser before I like invested more money in one. Basically, you just drop little essential oil drops in it, and you add some water, and it just makes your room smell amazing, and depending on what essential oils you put in it, they also have health benefits and just mind benefits and everything. So now I'm gonna turn it on. If you hit this button, it'll turn it on for 1 hour, and if you hit it again, 3, if you hit it again, 6, and if you hit it again, it's on continuous. I will show you guys a clip of the lighting with the lights off so you guys can really see it, but I just wanna thank BZseed for sending me this diffuser. I absolutely love it, and I will leave a link in the description box for where you can go buy it, and right now, they're having a $3 off coupon with it, so I definitely recommend going and buying it right now if you've been wanting a diffuser, because this one is really good, it's very affordable, and I really like it. Alright guys, so we are about to head out in a few minutes. What are you doing? He's camera shy. But gotta get all this in the vehicle and then we're going to head out. Here is the kitchen. Oh my gosh, the kitchen is so pretty. Wow. This is the hot tub, and then there's like a bar area right here that has like an outdoor kitchen and a fire pit, and look at our view. Oh my gosh. is crazy. There's like this really cool den area. There's another kitchen downstairs, which is so cool, with a deck. I love you, baby. Alright guys, so we just got out of the shower. I have to do my hair and makeup real quick, and then we're gonna go do something. I'm not really sure what we're doing, but I'll take you there and we'll see, I guess. Oh, I just went to go pick up my palette and I accidentally picked it up with my nail. Okay. Alright guys, so makeup and hair and outfit is now done. I'm wearing overalls and just this t-shirt that my boyfriend got me, and it says Cars and Coffee on it. And I didn't want to just like cover it up, so I'm wearing my overalls like half on, half off. And I still need to get some jewelry on, but other than that, I think we're finally about to leave. Hey, who you going? Can you go down and get me my drink out of the kitchen, please?
It's empty.
Well, can you fill it up and get it for me, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Okay, so I just sent Dustin down to go get my drink because I'm going to hide in the closet and try to scare him. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we'll see. Cross your fingers. I think here he comes. I don't know.
Hello? Look at you.
Dang it! He opened up this side and then I thought he left. So I opened up this side.
I opened the door and closed it.
Dang it. I love you.
Mwah.
I love you. Hello guys, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys thank you so much for watching this video. I forgot to end this video because it was just like a vlog. It was kind of all over the place, but I had such a fun time on this vacation and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have some really cool content coming up, and next week's video I'm very excited about and I really hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.